Hi, my name is Imari McLean, and I am an enablement leader for the Webex Thrive program. Here at Cisco, we are all about connections, connecting our people through our technology and our culture. Our mission is to empower an inclusive future for all, and one way that we foster that spirit is through the Webex Thrive Global Onboarding Program. Webex Thrive is an innovative enablement program that leverages our Webex technology to connect new hires from across the globe. The Thrive team has created a structured curriculum that helps prepare our new hires for their journey as sellers. With the help of the Webex application and our program leads, we are able to share content, meet face-to-face, and stay connected no matter where our new hires call home. It has been exciting witnessing our new hires' success post-Thrive. And the message is, we are committed to delivering an exceptional onboarding experience, and the Webex platform has allowed us to do just that. But it doesn't stop there. The Thrive team emphasizes the importance of connection, leveraging your network, as well as mentorship. Our new colleagues can access our team of over 200 mentors to ask questions, shadow, observe, and continue learning. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's hear from some of Thrive's very own new hires.
Webex is amazing because it's helped me to train from home through the Thrive program with phenomenal trainers that help me to be successful.
Thanks to Webex, it made it possible for me to be onboarded with so many different people from around the world. I was able to gain mentorship and quickly make tons of new connections from within the company.
Thanks to Webex, it was possible for me to be onboarded with so many new hires all around the globe that I'll probably never had a chance to meet.
Webex Thrive and the Webex platform are great examples of Cisco's commitment to connecting people, places, and ideas. Trust me when I say this, it is the bridge to possible.
Our Webex technology has given us the opportunity to connect new hires from all across the world and seamlessly provide them with an exceptional onboarding experience. And we are just getting started. Thanks, Webex, and thanks for watching.